Hey everybody, I want to show you how to do some measurements of your rockets. We're going to be using our data sheet right here to record a couple things. This video is specifically about the wing length and also the total length of your rocket. I'm going to be measuring two rockets. This one's obviously a lot bigger, okay, and this one's a lot smaller. We're going to need two things. One of them is a ruler. This ruler has 12 inches on it and also 30 centimeters. This is a meter stick or a yardstick. It's really long. It has 100. You can't see it, but it goes 98, 99 is there, and 100 is the very end. It's 100 centimeters on it. So for our first thing, let's go ahead and measure the wing length and width of this small right here. Alrighty. So to do that, I'm going to measure the height of this wing, or the length of this wing. I'm going to line up my 0 right here on the edge of this. I'm going to count out to here. This is 1 centimeter plus 1, 2. 1.2 centimeters. 1.2 centimeters in length for rocket number 1. .2 centimeters by, let's do the same thing this way. Remember to line up your 0. That's the same thing, 1.2. Just line up my 0, 1 whole, 1, 2 little guys, so that's 1.2 centimeters. 1.2 centimeters. Awesome. Cool. I'm going to take rocket number 2. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to measure this in centimeters. It might be easier to do that this way. Line up your 0 at the edge there. I'm going to count it out. Line up a 0 all the way to exactly 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters times 2.5 centimeters, and I can see that by lining up my 0, counting it out. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right there at 5, 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Now to measure the total length in centimeters, this little guy should be pretty simple. Line up my 0 again, make sure you line up that very edge there. Measure all the way down to the end. This is 14.1 centimeters. And this long rocket's too long for my ruler, so I'm going to use my meter stick. I'm going to line it all the way up. You can see all the way down to the end. Line that up perfectly with 0. And measure it all the way down to this end. 57.4 centimeters. There you go. That's how to do measurements on your rockets in length and width.